Many cardio exercises can put strain on the knees and ankles, but there exists a machine that permits aerobic training without putting excessive pressure on the legs. This machine is a rowing device, which has very few restrictions. In this video, I will explain what happens to your body if you begin rowing daily. So, make sure to watch the video until the end, it will be informative. Let's dive in. Why rowing is an excellent workout. The rowing machine, in contrast to treadmills, ellipticals, and stationary bikes, actively engages both the upper and lower body while using the knee joints in a gentle manner. The rowing machine ranks as one of the safest exercise options, making it suitable for rehabilitation following illness and injury. It mimics the actions of rowers, allowing for an intensive workout of the back and shoulder muscles, while also keeping the lower body muscles toned. The nature of the resistance offered by the rowing machine tends to favor men more than women, as it effectively helps to build upper body strength while engaging the legs and glutes, albeit not excessively. However, for women, it can also be beneficial in toning the arms, back, and core, while simultaneously keeping the legs and glutes well conditioned. The rowing machine utilizes between 80% to 95% of the body's muscle groups, which makes it possible to maintain fitness at home while evenly strengthening major muscle groups. The muscles that are most intensely engaged include the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius muscles of the back, pectorals, deltoids, triceps, and biceps in the arms, as well as the forearm muscles, abs, quadriceps, and calf muscles. The back, chest, and shoulder regions are maximally utilized, which is particularly important for men. The workload on the legs resembles that experienced on a leg press machine, which is appealing for women aiming to shape their thighs and calves. Benefits of the rowing machine. Rowing enhances overall body strength. It is not the simplest sport, as it requires substantial effort from the entire body, including the legs. Strengthening the muscles boosts metabolism, decreases subcutaneous fat, and stimulates blood circulation and lymphatic flow. Rowing results in significant calorie expenditure. According to Harvard Health publication, an average man, weighing around 80 to 85 kilograms, can burn more than 350 kilocalories in just half an hour of rowing, which surpasses the calorie burn from 30 minutes of running on a treadmill. Rowing also improves endurance. Training on a rowing machine strengthens the heart muscle and normalizes cardiovascular function, enhancing overall stamina. The pressure on joints during rowing is reduced, lowering the risk of injury. Due to its low injury risk, this machine is often utilized in rehabilitation centers for recovery after illnesses and surgeries. It is also advantageous for obese individuals who cannot engage in other forms of cardio exercises. The rowing machine is adaptable and serves various purposes, such as weight loss, maintaining fitness, building muscle, enhancing cardiovascular health, rehabilitation, and engaging in regular physical activity at home. Now, let's discuss the drawbacks of using a rowing machine. Disadvantages of the rowing machine. In comparison to other cardio machines, the rowing machine places less strain on the legs. Additionally, workouts can feel monotonous since rowing is limited to a specific range of movements. Rowing combines elements of strength and cardio, which may not appeal to those seeking purely aerobic exercise equipment. To properly perform rowing techniques, adhere to those guidelines. Start in a position with bent legs resting against the base of the machine while holding the handle firmly with extended arms. Maintain a straight back, lean slightly forward, and keep your shoulders turned inward. From this starting point, push off with your feet while drawing the handle or rowing levers towards your body. Once your legs are fully extended, draw the handle even closer to your chest, utilizing your back muscles instead of relying solely on your arms. During the final phase of the movement, lean your torso back slightly. Return to the starting position by bending your knees. Due to excellent body stabilization during training and the most natural range of motion, the rowing machine is widely regarded as the safest form of cardio equipment. Nevertheless, there are some contraindications. Conditions that may preclude rowing include hypertension, radiculitis, osteochondrosis, severe scoliosis, certain internal organ diseases, and injuries in their initial stages. By the way, friends, be sure to check out other videos on this channel. Links are currently displayed on the screen. Until next time.